Welcome! In this video we're going to take a look at how to use a Yealink T29G. Once the phone has been assembled, making sure to plug the connectors into their respective ports, it can be powered up by plugging in a network cable with PoE. If you do not have PoE, you will need to use an external power adapter. After the phone has booted up, we can set our ringing volume by using the volume buttons. At the lowest level, ringing will be muted. However, the notification light will still indicate that there is an incoming call. The four buttons below the screen are called soft keys. The first is used to access call history. This can also be accessed by pressing the up button. The second will allow users access to their directory. The third soft key by default will control Do Not Disturb or DND, which will cause any incoming calls to receive busy treatment. The last is the menu button. The buttons on the left and right of the screen act as shortcuts to extensions. These also display whether the phone is ringing or if the user is on a call. We can activate the speaker by pressing the speaker button. This will behave in the same way as picking up the receiver. We are able to do the same for headsets by pressing the headset button. There are also buttons for redial, conference, mute, transfer, and hold. To dial a number, we can type it in and press send or the hash key, or wait for the phone to automatically initiate the call. If the extension requires a dialing code, the user will be prompted to enter this, followed by the hash key. There are multiple ways to transfer a call. If the recipient has been set up as a shortcut, we can simply press the relevant button to instantly transfer the call. To perform an attended transfer, which will allow the user to speak to the recipient before transferring, we can press the transfer button while on a call and type in the destination number. This will put the incoming call on hold and allow the user to first speak to the transfer destination. Users are then able to swap between calls, use the conference feature, or transfer the call through. By selecting the transfer soft key immediately after inputting a number, blind transfers immediately connect the call to the new destination. When performing any of these operations, we're able to select a user from our directory instead of inputting a number. Speed dials can be used by first dialing a hash ahead of the speed dial number. If call pickups have been configured on your site, these can be used by dialing *98#. Lastly, in order to configure call forwarding, we can open the menu, navigate to Features, select Call Control and then Call Forwarding. From here we are able to configure call forward always, busy, and no answer. We must first add a number before the forward can be activated. Please note that this can incur call costs. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you require any additional assistance.